Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting and challenging question from radical maths. Here we are going to evaluate x cube. If x is 4th root of 28 plus 48 over root 3. So let's get started by rationalization of denominator. So I will multiply here with root 3. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. And here it is 48, so I will write 16. So x is 4th root of 28 plus 16 root 3. If I will notice this radicand only, then this is greater than 1. So conclusion from here, it would be x greater than 1. Let me write here, x should be greater than 1. Now I will raise power 4 both sides. 4, 4. So 4th root and power 4 will be over. So x power 4 will be 28 plus 16 square root 3. Now I will consider y power 4, which will be conjugate of x power 4. So 28 minus 16 square root 3. Now you can see x is positive, y is positive, so x power 4 will be positive, y power 4 will be positive. So conclusion from here, I can write xy must be greater than 0. X positive, y positive, product will be positive. Let us add both the equations. So I will write x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to 28 plus 28, 56. Let's say this is our equation 1. Now I will take product of both. So I will be writing here x power 4 times y power 4, which will be 28 plus 16 root 3 times 28 minus 16 root 3. A plus b times a minus b. We can write 28 square minus 16 root 3 whole square. 28 square is 784. 16 square is 256 times 3, 768. This difference is 16, which we can write 2 power 4. LHS is xy whole power 4. RHS is 2 power 4. So I can conclude from here xy will be equal to plus and minus 2. But x positive greater than 1, actually y positive, product is always greater than 0. So this minus sign, minus 2 value will be rejected. So xy is 2. Now our first equation, if I will write x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to 56. Let us solve. So I will write x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to 56 and xy equal to 2. So from here I can write y will be equal to 2 over x, and which I will apply here. So x power 4 plus y power 4, 16 over x power 4 equal to 56. Now I will divide this equation by 4. So I can write x power 4 over 4 plus 16 over 4, 4 divided by x power 4 and 56 over 4, 14. Now I will add 2 to both sides. So I will be adding 2 here and I will add 2 here also. So can we write LHS as x square over 2 whole square plus 2 over x square whole square plus 2 times x square over 2 times 2 over x square. So finally 2, and right hand side is 16, which we can think about it is 4 square. Now left hand side is one perfect square. It is formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. ab is 1 here. So I will write here x square over 2 plus 2 over x square whole square equal to 4 square. So once I will take square root, I can write right hand side as plus minus 2 and left hand side would be power free. So let me write here x square over 2 plus 2 over x square equal to plus minus 4. Now you can see this minus will be rejected. As x is positive, this value will come out positive only. Now I will consider plus sign, so I will be writing x square over 2 plus 2 over x square equal to plus 4. Again I will add 2 to both sides. So left hand side will be the square of, I will write x over root 2 whole square. This one, and second term would be root 2 over x whole square. So this is perfect or whole square of x over root 2 plus root 2 over x. Right hand side will be 6. Now I will consider square root once again. So x over root 2 plus root 2 over x. This will be equal to plus minus root 6. Again we will reject this minus sign. Rejected as x is positive. So right hand side would be always positive. So finally x over root 2 plus root 2 over x, it is equal to root 6. Let us write here. Let's multiply both sides by root 2 times x or x root 2. This side also x root 2. So let us multiply, expand the bracket. So I will be writing here x square plus x will be cancelled out, root 2 times root 2, 2 equal to root 6 times root 2, so root 12. So x root 12. Now I will write all the terms to one side. X square minus x root 12 plus 2 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. I will apply quadratic formula to find out x. So x will be equal to minus b. So minus of minus root 12 plus root 12 plus minus under the root b square minus root 12 whole square 12 minus 4 times 1 times 2, so 8 divided by 2a, so 2 root 12 plus minus, this will be root 4, so I can write 2 over 2. Root 12 is 2 root 3 plus minus 2 over 2. So finally we have x is equal to root 3 plus minus 1. Now x should be greater than 1. It cannot be less than 1. So I can write here x equal to root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 is 1.732. If I will write it decimal value, approximately it is 1.732. So this value is always greater than 1 and this value is always less than 1. So we will accept x greater than 1. So our x value will be root 3 plus 1. Now we have to find out x cube. Let us consider cube. equal to root 3 plus 1 whole cube. So a cube root 3 times root 3 times root 3, 3 root 3 plus b cube 1 plus 3ab, so 3 times root 3 times 1, so 3 root 3 in bracket root 3 plus 1. Now I can write 3 root 3 plus 1 plus 3 times root 3 times root 3. So it is 9 plus 3 root 3. So finally our answer is x cube will be equal to 10 plus 6 is square root 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.